Inspirational quotes can serve as powerful motivators, guiding lights or thoughtful reflections to inspire and motivate. Here's a collection for various needs. 1. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. 2. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Chinese proverb. 3. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Ralph Waldo Emerson. 4. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. C.S. Lewis. 5. Hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. C.S. Lewis. 6. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. 7. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. 8. It is never too late to be what you might have been. George Eliot. 9. Everything you've ever wanted is on the other side of fear. George Adair. 10. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston S. Churchill. 11. To live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong. Joseph Chilton Pearce. 12. I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sails to always reach my destination. Jimmy Dean. 13. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. 14. Keep your face always toward the sunshine and shadows will fall behind you. Walt Whitman. 15. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. Zig Ziglar. 16. You do not find the happy life. You make it? Camilla Erin Kimball. 17. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. Ralph Waldo Emerson. 18. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Arthur Ashe. 19. Motivation is what gets you started. Habit is what keeps you going. Jim Ryan. 20. Dream big and dare to fail. Norman Vaughn. These quotes can be a beacon during challenging times, remind us of our inner strength, and move us towards our goals. Keep them handy for whenever you need a dose of inspiration.